I'm glad that all of you are here because it isn't necessary said in 4 years, but we are celebrating 25 years of my being a Santini. And therefore, I thank you all. Kwabena Samwa, is he here? He's my brother from all over. Yes. Kwabena, stand up and let them see you. We played. In London, we used to go to that penthouse. Kwabena, you sure remember that? Yes. He would come from Nigeria, and Mami Wata would follow him to here. This evening was meant for my friends and people that I've known for years. It wasn't meant for officialdom. Next week, I'm holding a dinner for my foreign minister, the distinguished ministers and all that. But tonight, it was meant for people that I've not seen for years. Clifford Quarton, for example, has been in London for years and he's here. Kwame Otumfuo is also here. People that I've not seen for years. That's why I wanted for them to be here, to be with me. I've had my guest from South Africa, my son, who is a farmer, who is also here to be here with me. He flew in today to come with his wife, because I said to him that you have to be here. And therefore, Asama Boating, who has been serving me for years, is here. Leon, my son. And Bio, you are looking after the lands, you are retired, but you still have to continue looking after me. Dapado, who left me for Nigeria for years, I feel that I've not been able to go around. Protocol has not allowed me, but I would have wished to do that so that I could see everybody who is here. That's the position you put me. Ashtown people, that's where you put me, so I can't come closer to you now. But I wish I can do that. But I thank you all in a deep sense of gratitude for being here tonight. I assure you and I promise you that the confidence that you've had in me, I still will continue with that promise, and I would do my best, and I promise you I'll lead you with truth, honesty, and integrity, and anything that comes out of me will be with integrity, would be with the truth. So that I assure you, on my 74th birthday, that I don't count. Because people feel I'm not right. People said I'm not. Someone said, you are saying this king is 74, he's not. Because I think they've increased his age for them to feel that he's the king. That's why they are saying that. So I accept that, but I'm 74. My mother gave birth to me on the 6th of May, 1950. So people who doubted, I'm still mine. But anyway, I look after myself. And therefore, I'm not going to go now. I'm here. God willing. The only person who knows I'm leaving now is God. He can decide. And if he decides tomorrow, I will go. But I would have left my mark. But before that, don't wish that I'm going. I'll be with you all through. Good evening and thank you very much. All those that I couldn't have mentioned your name, I thank you very much for being here. And I wish for your prayers. I can survive in this position with your prayers and support. My dear wife, I've always said, has been very supportive. Please pray for her and let her also get the strength to support me. I thank you very much. Thank you.
And so to 99, we shall all rise and give to him the gifts that he deserves. May God bless you now. 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 With 3 happy cheers, hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Ladies and gentlemen, the King, His Royal Majesty, Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. A resounding round of applause. Please be seated. Your Royal Majesty, we thank you for those very gracious and warm words. You have certainly been a delightful host to us, and your hospitality right here in this state-of-the-art edifice has been nothing short of spectacular. We thank you ever so much. I'm sure that I speak on behalf of all your guests seated this evening that we've enjoyed our time here. Tonight certainly has been consistent with a view to please each other as we unite in the grand design of being happy and communicating happiness. Ours as a family, as Asante, is one where everyone is seen to be happy and communicating happiness. It is no good if only some are happy and others are not. And so as we leave this place, I ask that we all unite in this grand celebration of our monarch, bound by love for one another, supported by deep enthusiasm in understanding the essence of being Asante, and inspired by the example of His Royal Majesty to serve selflessly as Santeman and her soul, the golden stool, with our time, our talent, and our treasure. And so, may brotherly love and sisterly love and affection ever distinguish us all as true sons and daughters of a Santeman, either by birth or adoption. Live long, Your Royal Majesty. Long live Asanteman, long live Ghanaman, and long live us all. My name is Jerry Ajololo.
And my name is Stacey Amwateng. It has been a delight hosting you here today, and we know that the good Lord will take everyone back home safely, and we know that
it's not time to go home. It's not time to go home, because right about now, ladies and gentlemen, it is the second installment of the royal dance. Make welcome His Royal Majesty and the Princess Consort as they open the dance floor.
Thank you. Otumfuo. You wish you happy birthday. Don't put my name in this floor. Don't worry, we be moved. Don't count who say, oh, don't yes, and it's oh, don't put my name in this way. Don't worry, we be moved. Don't count who say, oh, don't yes, and it's open an into me soon. I miss me, dear. You want to turn a bit, you need son of it, you want to change, come in. Me, you don't want to drink. Me, you want to me, and one to me. Me, don't know, or not so dummy. And so, yeah, mammy, don't be any me. Hey, you don't be. Thank you.
Ago Equiapim TV Bepauso Hein